Hello, my name is Christopher. I'm going to talk to you about my Genius Hour Shark Tank project. So when we did our Passion Madness Bracket Challenge, I found that my passion was robotics. So I decided to make a robot that helped elders get their food or drinks. Of course, there's going to be those lazy people out there that try to use this, but I wasn't looking to that. But okay, through research, I found that making a robot was way too complicated, or at least for me. Then I decided, well, I'll make an RC car instead, which is still pretty hard, but it doesn't matter. This is my prototype, so which technically I can't drive because there's no controller to it. There's just an autopilot mode on it, so I guess yeah. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys a prototype test drive. So hope you enjoy.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude.